Good evening, everyone. Wish you all a very happy new year. My name is Deepthi, and along with my team, we lead the admissions at Indian School of Development Management. We're very happy to announce that our admission for 5th cohort, class of 21-22, have begun from 1st of January. And we begin our session from 26th of July 2021. The postgraduate program in development management is ISDM's flagship initiative designed by the leading academics and practitioners from both the development and management sectors. The year-long program blends ideas of development with concepts of management, combine in-class sessions with a 2-week field component on realizing India, and promotes collaborative group work. Let me begin by saying that our admission process is not an elimination, but an inclusion process. We are looking for young, passionate applicants from diverse backgrounds. Students who have just graduated, social sector professionals, working professionals who want to do more and plan to shift to social sector. So if I want to do more, I want to make a difference, resonates with you, if you want to study development management for social sector from a world-class institute, then no matter who you are or what you might be doing, we might be looking for you. Early to bed, early to rise makes you healthy, wealthy, and wise. I have read this in my childhood. I don't know about the healthy, wealthy, and wise, but yes, applying early to the application admission process gives applicant enough time to engage with ISDM. It gives you time to engage with our counselors and prepare themselves before the program starts. Preparation includes visiting the campus, planning accommodation, preparing for the course, engaging and meeting our current batch and alums, and much more. Given the limited number of seats we have for the program, you will stand a better chance to reserve a seat by enrolling earlier in the admission process. Now, since we are talking about the admission process, I think it's good if I walk you through our 5 simple steps. So the first step is to apply. You can go to our website. We just shared the link on the chat box. Click on Apply Now, located on the right side of the page. You will see a window pop up. You fill in the details and you will get an OTP verification. Once your OTP verification is done, you're good to go. Please note that it is important that you provide the correct email and phone number, as admission-related communication will be sent on it. Once your verification is complete, you will be redirected to the student dashboard. You will find your application form over there. To fill in the application form, we have certain criteria which I'll tell you. You have to fill in your personal information, your educational background, work experience, if any, financial details, and upload your supporting documents. In case you are facing any trouble in understanding how to fill the application, please feel free to write to us in the query box and we will reply to you within 24 hours. After uploading your supporting documents, you are good to go. Just one step. Our application fee is Rs 500, and once the payment is done, your application is complete. You can move to the next step. Before we move to the next step, I would also like to tell you about the student dashboard. The student dashboard is a one-stop place for all the applicants. You will see that it has the FAQs, the preparatory material, link to all the social media handles, our admission process video, and if you want more information, please head to our official YouTube channel where we have specially created a playlist dedicated to the ISDM admission process. We will also be very happy if you need anything from us to call us or write us. We encourage you to visit the student dashboard at a regular intervals so that you are updated about what's new at ISDM and learn more about the application process. Now, The shortlisted candidates will be receive an email from us with the details to appear for the online assessment. To prepare for the online assessments, there is a guide to help you. The preparatory material is available on the student dashboard. If you need any other further assistance, write to us on the query box. After completion of the assessment stage, you will be moved to the Buddy Connect. Now you ask, what is a buddy? Who is my buddy? Your buddy is our ISDM alum. This is a great opportunity for you to connect with our alum and know about their journey at ISDM. What have they learned? What are their experiences? It's a very great opportunity to talk to them. This will help you to move to the next stage, which is the personal interview round. This is where we get to know you. Before I tell you about it, I think I forgot to mention that I am ISDM alum myself, class of 2018 and 19. My interview was with Ravi Sridharan and Gaurav Shah, founders of ISDM. This interview changed the course of my life. And believe me, with 10 years of work experience, I have given and taken many interviews. But I have never felt such a clarity after an interview like I did that day. After I went home, I don't think so. The decision to join ISDM was very difficult. I just knew it that I had to do this course. This interview felt more like an interactive session where it unfolded in such a beautiful way that I got to know so much about ISDM and all my questions were answered. I remember Robert Frost saying, "Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by." And that has made all the difference. So if you are in the same place I was 3 years back, thinking whether to take this leap or not, I'd say jump, take that way, make a difference. Now, since I have completed the steps of our admission process, I would like to open the platform for question and answers. So we have a question stating about what are the accommodation facilities available around ISDM. Great. So near ISDM, within 5 kilometers, we have many private government hostels, PGs available. In past, our students have opted for these places. You can get the reviews from that. You can visit these places. We also have a metro connection, which is 2.2 kilometers away from the ISDM campus, which is very helpful to commute. Can I have the next question, please? Just a second, I think my window has stopped. I think I can't see the questions in the question box. Just give me a second. Just figure this out. Okay, so our next question is, how will I receive communication for my admissions? Okay, so you will be receiving all your communication related to admission process through your registered email ID and your phone number. In case you want to inquire about something and if there is a delay in process, you can always call us or write to us. Our next question is, What is the deadline to apply? Okay, so the deadline to apply for this phase is 27th of January, after which we'll be starting our next phase. Our next question is, who can join this program? Okay, as I mentioned earlier, our cohort is very diverse and we get applications from all backgrounds. I myself was a lawyer when I joined. I was also in social sector. We had doctors, lawyers, engineers, fresh graduates, people with work ex, people coming from social sector. We have all kinds of people joining us. And that enriches the cohort's learning process. What is the course fee to apply? Okay. The course fee is 5 lakhs plus taxes. As I mentioned earlier, the admission, I also have already submitted my application. So are the preparatory material for the test below already available on my dashboard? Yes. So all the preparatory material is available on your dashboard. In case you are facing any difficulty finding the same, please write to us. We will get in touch with you. There's a query box available on all dashboards. So if you want to find any information relating to admissions, you can always write to us. We will respond within 24 hours. Okay, the next question is, will I get scholarship? Okay, so the scholarship process in ISDM is very need-based. You will have to submit us your financial documents, and there is a financial team which looks into the documents, and it is given on the need basis. Is it necessary to have work experience before I join the course? It is preferred to have work experience, but it is not a mandate. It is not necessary. We have people who have freshly graduated and are working in different organizations. To name a few, it is a very balanced cohort. So we have a lot of diversity, as mentioned earlier. Would the classes be in the campus this year? Yes, starting from July onwards, we will be having offline classes where you'll meet all your peers and the college will open for you. What is the scope of placements after the program? Okay, to answer this, I believe that I should introduce Zuha Khan, who has been leading the placement at Indian School of Development Management. I think she's the best person to answer this and take you through this process.
Thank you, Deepti.
Thank you.
Hi, everyone. My name is Zuha, and I've been leading placements at ISDM. With regards to your questions related to placements at ISDM, it is diverse. I've been a member of the placement committee when I was a student at ISDM, and we have seen participation from more than 150 organizations every year. We ensure that we reach to all kinds of organizations in the sector, and there are a range of organizations that have participated in the last years, ranging from check making organizations, foundations, social enterprises, domestic NGOs, international NGOs, and they have shared multiple job roles with us. Our students have gone back to social sector to work in these organizations. That's broadly it. If you need more information and any specific detail, you can always reach out to me on LinkedIn.
I believe we just posted Zuha's LinkedIn details on the chat box. You can always contact her and reach out to her. Zuha, before you leave, can I ask you, what kind of placement did we have in the last 4 years of the cohort?
So, Deepti, given the nature of the program, our students go back to multiple kinds of roles. And these are roles in marketing, operations, program management role, program operation roles. Our students go work with government. They get roles in fundraising, communications, engagement. So there's a broad spectrum of organizations that share their JDs with ISDM, and our students assume these roles.
Oh, great. Thank you so much. Can you name some organizations that we have partnered with? I believe we have 150 plus partners for placements, right?
Right. So to name a few, we have organizations like Udyam, like Lahi, HelpAge India, CRY, Save the Children, CSRs, all of these organizations sharing their JDs with us.
Great. Thank you so much, Zuha, for joining us today. I hope we
Thank
have
you,
been able
Dipti.
to answer the questions. If you have more questions regarding placements at ISDM, please contact Zuha through her LinkedIn, which we have just posted in the link chat box. Thank you so much. Moving on, we have tried to answer all your questions through this session. If you need any more information, please write to us. We have shared the link with you. I would now like to close this session. Thank you so much for joining us today. We have more events lined up for you. Next in the series is the conversation with the alums of ISDM. So stay tuned, stay connected. Looking forward to meeting you soon. Thank you so much.